I feel free. And we're alive, and we're happy, and I'm loving my life.
There goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come.
Why didn't you tell me this? I couldn't. I was trying to protect you.
There goes my
didn't do
mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing.
Just hold tight.
I'm hopeless now.
You lied to me. No, I didn't. Yeah, you hidden things from me, and it's the same thing. Why did you do that? Because I was trying to protect you. I didn't want you to lose your job. I risked everything for you. I couldn't trust me. Until I get out of here, Gitch, I don't want to see or hear from you anymore, okay? Just stay away. I'll visit you. I'll wait for you. And what if you're waiting forever? Well, then I'll wait forever. Well, you're an idiot. Nothing you say will change my mind. Then. Well, why don't you try believing me? Or maybe that's it. You never really trusted me. I'm just a bit of rough trade. Franky, you know that's not true. Fuck off. Franky. Maybe that's what turns you on. You think fucking prison fantasy. Don't you do this? Come on. I mean, this is what you want. Huh? I just want...
Spend every hour of every day keeping you safe.
There's a view.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. No, 'cause I need you to see.
Not sitting here talking to you.
You are the reason.
I just want you.
Come back, I need you are the reason. Just a little closer. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me
I won't do it again. Get out.
I'm
sorry. Now.
And swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Fucking say something, Frank.
'Cause I need
It's complicated. No. It's really fucking simple.
you are the reason.
All I think day and night is you.
So stay. Don't give up on
Look
us.
at me, Frankie. Look at me. I'm a mess. I can't look in the mirror. I can't even...
There goes my heart.
I fucking love you.
I fucking love you too.
It's not over.
I'm losing my sleep.
We're not done.
There goes my mind racing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
Thanks for coming.
Climb every
I
mountain
wish I could say no.
and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.